So fixing a flat tire is not too difficult as long as you have this quick tire repair kit. This one happens to be from Slime or just at the local auto store, fairly affordable. Comes with a couple of tools, one to widen the hole in the tire, the second one to thread the filling into the tire, and the rubber cement. First step is to remove whatever caused the flat in the first place. In my case, happened to be a nice size screw. I was able to remove it. As you can hear, it's fairly loud. So it's a fairly large hole. The next step would be to use the second tool, which enlarges the hole a little bit so that it inserts the filling, the rubber filling, easier into the tire. It helps if you put a drop of the rubber cement on the tool itself, and this you have to pull it in and out a few times to widen the hole to make it easier to insert the plug. As you will see in the next minute or so, I did not make that hole wide enough for the plug, so it was more difficult for me to insert that plug into the tire. It also helps if you lubricate the tool with the rubber cement. Once you take one of the rubber plug strips on the package, you have to thread it through the eye hole of the tool. Looks like a big sewing needle. It also helps if you put some rubber cement on the tool itself. It'll make the plug slide in easier. As you can see, it's not too easy to get that threaded through. I used needle nose pliers to assist me. And I'm also wearing gloves. It's very sticky. I'd rather stick to the gloves than to my hand. So you put a substantial amount of rubber cement will assist in inserting the plug into the tire. Now you plug the hole. You do have to apply some force, a lot of force actually. If you didn't make the hole big enough, it will make your life a little bit more difficult here in pushing that plug into the tire. Enlarging this hole, I'd like to add that you should keep a kit similar to this in your car in case of emergencies, so you don't have to call for assistance if you're stuck on the side of the road. This is a quick fix. I was finally able to get the plug into the tire, and then by twisting the tool, you should release the plug from the tool inside the tire, and the axis gets cut off. If it was just a small axis, you can just leave it and it would wear off as you drive the car. But since mine had a little bit too much, I decided to cut it off with a utility knife. Once you're done cutting it off, you can actually refill the tire and should be good to go. Drive a few miles, make sure the pressure in the tires remains the same. If it does, you complete it. Not too difficult if you're in a pinch. Thanks for watching.